Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. How are you all? I am fine. Alhamdulillah. My name is Alia and I am your English teacher. Dear student, let's start our lecture. And this lecture was lecture number 8 on date 29th April 2020 and the day was Wednesday. The lecture was about noun and the types of noun. Let's look at what each type of noun is with example. First of all, we learn about noun. What is noun? The name of person, place or thing is called a noun. Here example of noun is Ali, chair, vacant. And kinds of noun, there are 5 kinds of noun. Number 1 is common noun. Number 2 is proper noun. Number 3 is collective noun. And number 4 is abstract noun. And last, the material noun. What is common noun? The name which is common to every person, place or thing of the same class or a kind is called a common noun. Here is an example of common noun. Shabnam is a girl. Here, girl is a common noun because it can mean at any girl. And the second example is Karachi is a big city. Here, city is a common noun. Number 2 is proper noun. What is proper noun? Any particular name is called a proper noun. The first example is Farzana is a girl. Here, Farzana is a proper noun. Farzana is the name of an individual and a specific name. So, it can be a proper noun. Number 2 is Pakistan is a country. Here, Pakistan is a proper noun because Pakistan is the name of one country. So, it is a proper noun. Number 3 is collective noun. What is collective noun? Words for groups of people, animals or things are called collective nouns. Collective nouns, something mean like collection. So here is an example of collective noun. A group of soldiers, a group of students. A group of soldiers, army, a group of students, class. Here army and class is a collective noun. Number 4 is abstract noun. The name of qualities, feelings, action and state are called a abstract noun. Example here is honesty, love, fight, death, sleep is a collective noun. The name of quality, feelings, here is honesty is a quality, love is a feeling, fight is a state. Here these examples are called a abstract noun. And number 5 is a material noun. The name of things which are used for making other things are called material noun. Okay, material nouns are uncountable and found in concrete form. Here example is material noun is wood, iron, silver. These nouns are uncountable. So these are the examples of a material noun. Thank you students. Bye.